I'm Cowboy Zola, and we are going to be riding horses today. As you can see behind me, this is Flame, my horse that I'm going to ride today. Well, here we go. Alright, and off we go. Oh dear. Here, let me get back on. Flame has not been trained fully yet, but we're still working on him, and hopefully he'll be able to help me catch a wild horse today. Well, we've been riding for only a couple hours now, but I can feel we are getting closer to maybe a herd of wild horses. Oh, Flame, look at that! It's a wild stallion! Quick, Flame! Run! Run after him! Got to get my rope. We've got him! We've got him! We've got him, Flame. Well, we are on our way back with the wild stallion to our ranch. I am so happy. He's a beautiful blue roan stallion. I think I'm going to name him Nakota. And we are back. Well, let's take him over to the pen. Come on, Nakota. Let's get back on Flame. And there we go. Let's get his rope off. He's a very nice horse. He's mellow, strangely. Ooh, it's quite lovely up here. Whoa, that was unexpected. Well, I'll be right back. And we're back. I've gotten Nakota, as you can see over there, all ready. And I have put in a corral fence. Look at that. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's surrounding the whole perimeter. So, if I fall off, well, he won't get out, hopefully. I hope not. Oh dear God. Anyway, well, let's go get Nakota. Okay, good Nakota. Good. I don't want to do. Okay, I'm on. Alright, Nakota. Oh my God. Okay, I'm alright. I'm alright. It's alright. I'm a stay calm. I am a cowboy. Alright, hold on, Nakota. Get back up here. Alright, here we go. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh. Okay. Okay, Nakota. You got to stop this, alright? We gotta work together. Okay? Okay. Whoa. Okay. Here we go. Alright. Good, Nakota. Okay. I just kinda got scared there for a minute. Stop it, Nakota. Stop looking at me. Oh, you're being kinda nice. Hi. I'm gonna eat your face off now. Well, that's it for now. I'll be back. Well, I'm back and I have successfully trained Nakota. We are best friends now. And I think I'd love him. Slow-mo. Such a beautiful sight.